Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Gemini Earn for staking rewards and risk management, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable Gemini Earn for staking rewards and risk management, begin by opening the Gemini app on your device. Log in to your Gemini account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the home page of the app. Look for the Earn option on the menu, typically found at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the Earn option to access the staking features available. Within the Earn section, you will see various cryptocurrency options eligible for staking rewards. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to stake for rewards. After selecting, review the details provided about the staking terms and potential rewards. Confirm that you understand the risks involved with staking by reading any accompanying information. Once ready, tap on the Enroll or Enable button to proceed. You may be prompted to agree to the terms and conditions related to staking. Read through the terms carefully and acknowledge your agreement. After confirming the terms, you will need to specify the amount of cryptocurrency you want to stake. Enter the amount and review your selection to ensure it aligns with your risk management strategy. When satisfied with your decision, tap the Confirm button to finalize the staking process. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your staking has been successfully enabled. To monitor your staking rewards, return to the Earn section of your app regularly. Make sure to keep track of the market conditions and adjust your staking strategy as necessary. Remember that staking involves risks, so consider re-evaluating your investments periodically. Stay informed about any changes to the staking rewards or terms by checking for updates from Gemini. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.